When it comes to boosting sexual stamina, many men turn to supplements and other products. But what if we told you that a simple, everyday vegetable could help increase your sexual energy and performance? We introduce you to the humble carrot. Carrots contain high levels of vitamin A, which is important for maintaining healthy sperm and increasing libido in men. Additionally, the high levels of antioxidants in carrots may help to improve overall physical stamina. However, it is important to note that consuming a healthy and balanced diet, along with regular exercise, is the best way to increase stamina. Eating just carrots alone will not be sufficient to increase stamina. Carrots are a rich source of nutrients, including beta-carotene, and minerals like potassium and magnesium. These nutrients are known to have a positive impact on sexual health and function. Beta-carotene, for example, has been shown to improve sperm quality and motility, which can increase the chances of conception. Vitamin A is important for the production of testosterone, a hormone that plays a key role in male sexual health. Potassium and magnesium are essential for maintaining healthy blood flow, which is critical for achieving and maintaining an erection. Additionally, carrots are also high in antioxidants that protect the body against damage from free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to the development of chronic diseases. These antioxidants can also improve blood flow and oxygenation throughout the body, including the reproductive organs, which can enhance sexual function. Eating carrots regularly can be a simple and effective way to boost your sexual stamina and overall health. They can be eaten raw, cooked, juiced, or blended into a smoothie. You can also add grated carrots to salads, sandwiches, or stir fries for added flavor and nutrition. Here we bring you 5 carrot recipes to help you add them in your daily routine. Carrot juice. Start your day off with a glass of fresh carrot juice. Simply juice a handful of carrots, and add a squeeze of lemon for added flavor. The high levels of beta-carotene, vitamin A, and antioxidants in the juice can help to improve sperm quality and motility, as well as boost overall sexual health. Carrot ginger soup. This simple soup is a great way to incorporate carrots into your diet. Simply sauté some chopped ginger and garlic in a pot. Add diced carrots, and enough vegetable or chicken broth to cover the vegetables. Simmer until the carrots are tender, then puree the soup in a blender or food processor. The ginger in the soup is also a great way to improve blood flow and circulation. Carrot and lentil curry. Lentils are a good source of zinc, which is essential for testosterone production. In this recipe, you can cook a cup of lentils and add some diced carrots, along with your favorite curry spices. Serve over rice or with naan bread. Carrot salad. Mix grated carrots with some chopped herbs like cilantro, parsley, or mint, and add a vinaigrette made of olive oil, lemon juice, and honey. For a refreshing salad, you can also add some nuts and seeds for added crunch and healthy fats. Carrot ginger smoothie. Blend some frozen carrots, fresh ginger, honey, and your choice of milk or yogurt for a delicious and healthy smoothie. The ginger in the smoothie can help to improve blood flow, while the carrots provide a boost of beta-carotene, vitamin A, and antioxidants. In conclusion, eating carrots can have a positive impact on a man's sexual health and stamina. The high levels of beta-carotene, vitamin A, potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants in carrots can improve sperm quality and motility, boost testosterone production, and enhance blood flow to the reproductive organs. Carrots are also a great source of other essential nutrients that are important for overall health and well-being. Incorporating carrots into your diet through juicing, soups, curries, salads or smoothies can be an easy and delicious way to boost your sexual stamina and improve your overall health. If you find the information helpful, then comment, share and like the video and subscribe our channel.